Our next guest is calling for Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton to address the current challenges taking place at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay. Joining us is the opposition spokesman on health and Member of Parliament, Dr. Maurice Guy. Good morning, Dr. Guy. Welcome, sir. How are you?
Good morning, Neville. Good morning, Simone.
Hi, Doc.
Good, thank you.
Thanks for speaking with us this morning. What are the issues you're talking about here, sir?
Well, the issues primarily center around the unemployment of doctors. And in fact, these doctors should have been employed and start working on the 1st of January. The truth is that I have also said that there's a disconnect between the Western Regional Health Authority and the Cornwall Regional Hospital because there seemed to be no clarity in terms of how these doctors should be employed. We know that at the 1st of January each year, the doctors who are going to work have contract. None have so far. There are 19 vacancies that were advertised about a month, almost 2 months ago, and they have not been filled yet. Now, the Western Regional Health Authority director came out and said, this is nonsense. You know, he doesn't know where the information I got is coming from. I was vindicated yesterday by a report in one of the dailies from the senior medical officer for Cornwall Regional Hospital who says, yes, there is a personal issue in terms of they getting the doctors together and hopefully it will resolve by the end of this month. My concern is that between now, the 1st of January and the end of this month, the hospital is in limbo in terms of the number of doctors who are to be providing service to the people. In fact, I said that there was a disconnect between the Western Regional Health Authority and the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Dr. Harvey, in that report I mentioned, one of the dailies, said that he doesn't even know whether the posts that have been advertised are totally for new doctors or for recurring vacancies for doctors who would have moved up out of the system and up in the system, or it's a mixture of both. He said that there's some muddling of the waters. So it speaks to a disconnect.
Well, it's a little more than a disconnect if the management of the CRH, as is reported in this story from the Gleaner, has flatly rejected the applications, stating that there are no vacancies at the institution. So what reason would they have if there were no vacancies at the institution to say there are no vacancies at the institution?
That is the question that needs to ask. And we know now